In this video, we'll show you how to change the thermostat on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You need to drain the coolant circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Nissan Altima. Once the circuit has been bled, you need to access the thermostat. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 3 bolts that hold the plastic cover in place. Then remove the cover. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 air intake resonator retaining bolts. You can now remove the air intake resonator. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the exhaust manifold heat shield. Then remove the heat shield. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in the video, compress the coolant hose retaining ring, then remove the hose. Remove the retaining ring. Using a ratchet and a 12mm socket, unscrew the 2 thermostat housing cover retaining bolts. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then remove it. Remove the thermostat from the housing cover. Then wipe off the impurities on the seal with a paper towel. You can finish cleaning with sanding paper, without forgetting to clean with brake cleaner. You can order the thermostat used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new thermostat. Install it in its location. Please note that the jiggle valve must be positioned at the top of the thermostat. Put the thermostat housing cover back in place. Start screwing by hand. Then with a socket wrench. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the retaining ring back in place. Reconnect the hose. Put the coolant hose retaining ring back in place. Clean the thermostat housing cover with brake cleaner and a paper towel. Replace the heat shield on the exhaust manifold. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Put the air intake resonator back in place. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Put the engine cover back on. Then screw it back on. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Nissan Altima. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.